Hello. So to use this Gmail dictation tool that I've just built, you're gonna need to follow a couple of steps, which will be listed in the README. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to add in your own OpenAI API key, and we are sort of using this API key on the front end, and it's sort of getting exposed, but there's not much of an alternative because adding it to a .env file doesn't do much good either, because anytime you have client-side code, it's very easy to see what your API key is, even if you have it in a .env file. So if I had a bit more time, I would have built a backend server for this, but I digress. So how you're going to get your API key is you're going to go to this link, and you can either create an API key, or you can use one of your pre-existing API keys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my API key Gmail dictation demo, and I'm going to restrict it so that we only give permission to the audio. You can be a bit more loose if you want, but you need to give permission for the audio capability. So let's create this secret key. Let's copy it, and let's paste it over here and hit save. And now that we have this API key, we can move on to step 2, which is loading the unpacked version of this project on Chrome extensions. So you would go to Google Chrome, hit the extensions button, manage extensions, and you would have to hit this load unpacked button up here. And wherever you cloned the repository, you need to find where the repository is. Let me just take a look. Gmail dictation, we select folder, and we can just open that folder, and we have this loaded. So once we have this loaded, we can come over here and pin this if you want, and go to mail.google.com. And once we're here, you just hit compose. So it should say boot up Gmail, and you just hit compose, and you hit the record button over here, and you let the magic happen. So you also have to give microphone permissions. So I'm gonna allow on every visit. Hello, I am doing a demo for Wispr, and it'll take a while. Okay, so it picked up some of the stuff that I was saying while I was explaining how you need to give permission, but let's continue. So this is a video demo for Wispr. And this also works even if you have, let's say, multiple boxes. If, let's say, we want to add some stuff to this box specifically, we hit this button. Yeah, so I'm doing a demo for Wispr once again. Yeah, so there we go. And I'm just gonna delete these two. But yeah, that's pretty much the demo. Thanks for watching, and yeah.